not every project starts with a big idea. Sometimes it starts with a simple question. What if college wasn't about essays and lectures, but about welding, HVAC systems, and real-world work? This is the story of a trade college I helped design. A place built for hands-on learners, for people who want to build something real and need a space that respects that ambition. This college serves an underserved market, one that's often overlooked in traditional education. Its students are training in plumbing, electrical work, HVAC, welding, and especially entrepreneurship. Not just on the job site, but also in a space that feels like a real campus. That was the goal from the start, to design a place where people could feel proud of the work they're learning to do, and where the building itself reflects that dignity. Most trade schools happen in converted warehouses or leftover spaces. The message, unintentionally or not, is this isn't the place that matters. But trades do matter. They're the backbone of every building I've ever designed. And for this school, we wanted to change that narrative, to give tradespeople in training a space designed just for them. When I was sketching the layout, I kept thinking, this shouldn't feel like a warehouse. It should feel like a campus. We kept the building low and horizontal, approachable and grounded. Spaces were designated but flexible and had connection to all the other spaces. Hands-on wings flank a central courtyard, while administrative and traditional classrooms were placed up front. Glass and daylight are present throughout. There's a rhythm to the layout, spaces to work, but also spaces to breathe. The program is practical. Welding booths with dedicated exhaust. HVAC mock-ups mounted on movable partitions. Plumbing walls you can take apart, reassemble, and understand. Electrical labs laid out like real-world installations. Even the entrepreneurship classrooms were designed to be flexible. Movable tables, presentation walls, and spots for impromptu group work. These are students who will go from classroom to job site in months, not years. They deserve spaces that help them get there. The materials for this building? They had to be honest but durable. Plywood, concrete, metal mesh, exposed structure. Not decorative, not industrial chic, just honest. We designed for durability, adaptability, and clarity. Because when you're learning a trade, clarity matters. Architecture isn't just a container for learning. It can also be part of the lesson. We gave every lab a connection to the outside. We made sure visitors could see inside as they walked by. Each lab has a breakout classroom for book learning before going out and doing. The building isn't flashy, but it's clear. And that clarity teaches. This wasn't the biggest project I've done, but it might be the most meaningful, because I believe in what this place stands for. That skilled labor is not plan B, and hands-on learning and good design can work together. I don't know who the first student will be, but I hope they walk in, look around and think, this doesn't feel like a school, it feels like an opportunity. They might become an electrician and start their own business and change their family's future. And maybe this building helped them believe they could. This project is the epitome of what I stand for, using design to create spaces that can help bring up others and make our community a better place. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos where I reflect on design, both real and imagined, feel free to subscribe or support the channel on Patreon. This is one of those projects I'll carry with me, and I'm honored to share it. Thanks for coming along with me. And as always, stay grounded and design with intent.